Dig with YouTube. Constatu. I don't know if you can hear the sound these bloody birds are making on the roof. It sounds like they're actually inside the roof. But anyway, it's 7:10 and they've woken me up. And I remember a little rhyme that goes 4 and 20 blackbirds baked in a pie. Do you hear that? I think I'll be making a lot of pies. Slán dig with your YouTube. Constatu. So yeah, that was me being woken up at 7:10 by about 100 crows performing river dance on the roof of my bedroom. So I wasn't terribly happy, but I got over it. I looked over onto the roof of the main house, which is across from where I was staying in Tiger's Lodge in work, and there was about 120 of them just having a natter in the mid-morning dew, and I'm just kind of going, okay, that's fine. Buy earplugs so I could ignore the little so-and-so. So usually I sleep very well, but once I'm awake, I'm awake. You know, that's the way it is. So it could be 4 o'clock in the morning, could be 10 o'clock in the morning, could be 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Once I'm awake, I'm awake, and once I'm asleep, I'm asleep. Okay? That's it. So I just wanted to make this final part of the vlog for that and tell you that I had a good week. I spent the whole 4 days that I was there staying in Tiger's Lodge on my own. When I went down Thursday night, I spent my night in the centre on my own, except for the Breaking the Cycle crew, but they were in the lodge behind us. So I was in the building on my own. And it's slightly creepy. Most Haunted said that it's the 7th most haunted house in Ireland. And yeah, you hear these noises and you hear these odd creaks and shudders and a knock here and there. So but the house is over 150 years old, so I'm kind of allowing it time to move about. But yeah, no, there was the time. If you unless you can keep control of your imagination, you won't stay there on your own. People ask me how do I stay there on my own. It's just kind of, well, I want to see a ghost. If I saw a ghost, I'd be happy. Other people would be like, no. Park myself in Virginia and just spend the night curled up in a hotel bed. It's like, yeah, no, I'm fine. Doesn't bother me. So I just wanted to make this, and I want to say that I will be getting my bucket list video up very shortly. I'm going to do the YouTube survey, just for the crack. And then I have another vlog that I want to do just as a roundup for this week and next week's events. So expect those very shortly. Agat, agus, slán